All right, everybody, Bryce here coming at you with a real quick crypto market update, and it is the last crypto market update of 2024, and we had an awesome year. Obviously, we're ending things with a little bit of volatility caused by the Federal Reserve, who kind of came out and said, I know you guys have been expecting 3 rate cuts next year. I think we're only going to do 2. And this apparently sent the market into a complete frenzy. And so unpacking what really happened here, in crypto, there was a lot of people that were levered long, right? They were borrowing margin and they were going long the crypto market. So when this volatility hit and the S&P apparently had its worst day in like 30 years, this caused a lot of volatility in our little crypto market as well. A lot of people panic selling, a lot of people saying, well, holy smokes, I'm up a lot this year. I might as well take some profits while I can. So there was this whole frenzy, and these liquidations happened to the tune of $860 million, almost a full billion. So very, very large liquidation that occurred, and it caught a lot of people offside. People thought, Bitcoin's going to stay above 100K forever. It could never dip down below, and they were borrowing and borrowing. And so it's a healthy reset. In fact, I'm telling people, my friends and family, that Santa came early to the Paul household because we are excited about this dip. We're excited whenever we can get the opportunity to buy either more Bitcoin or more fundamentally strong altcoins at great prices. And that's exactly what we're seeing today. So I'm not, what do they say, getting shaken out of the market. I'm holding, I'm buying more. I think this is an awesome opportunity. And so Santa came early. If any of your friends ask you about the crypto dip and what's going on, you just tell them Santa came early. No, I'm excited. This is still a very good market environment. And despite the Fed speak, right? That's what they call it, Fed speak, to guide the markets and so on. There's nothing that fundamentally worsened for crypto, right? There's nothing, period, point blank. The only thing that happened is we were up so much that people were taking profit and people were so bullish trying to get even more long that they got caught offside. So this is a healthy reset across the entire crypto market. We now have funding rates that are now normalized because they were getting a little hot. And this is all good stuff. We have a president and an entire cabinet of people coming in just about 20 days or so, maybe 30 days. And they're going to be completely resetting the entire crypto regulatory environment, which is going to be very positive for crypto. We will have 5 SEC chair members that are all pro-crypto. We're going to have a head of the SEC that's pro-crypto, a head of the U.S. Treasury, Scott Besson, who's pro-crypto, a head of trade and commerce, and Howard Lutnick, who is very pro-crypto. This is very good, right? In fact, Howard Lutnick said he owns, almost $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. So I'm sure all of these policies that are going to be getting moved forward, while it might not happen overnight, that trajectory is set, and it's set in stone. We also have Trump, who launched a WorldFi Liberty, and you could track Trump's wallets on Ethereum, and you could see he's buying crypto tokens over the course of the past month, and especially during this dip. Now, is it actually Trump who's there clicking the buy buttons? Probably not. It's probably somebody from his team. But he's launched that World Liberty project, and it's great to see that we're now going to have a sitting president along with a bunch of cabinet members who are all pro-crypto, ushering in a great new wave of innovation and excitement for crypto. And we even have a crypto czar who's going to be sitting in the White House. That's a newly established position by Trump, who is going to be David Sachs, who is one of the earliest investors and co-founders of PayPal. Not co-founder, one of the earliest executives, and he's a very big investor as well in Multicoin Capital, in BitGo, in Bitwise. He's very established in the crypto markets, and he's going to be helping guide policy. So I couldn't be any more bullish on the long-term stuff. This is a short-term blip that's kind of caused by some fear, some uncertainty, some doubt, and just some good old-fashioned profit taking. But for me, I'm long, I'm strong, and I'm ready to have a great Christmas with my family. And I hope everybody at home watching and enjoying these markets is going to have a great holiday as well. So with that, I hope to see everybody back in one piece in the new year. Stay safe. and have fun trading these wild markets, because crypto loves a holiday. And this was big volatility, okay? This was big volatility, but I'm thinking the bottom is in. Bitcoin hit $92,000, and a lot, and again, to say like a bottom at $92,000 is so crazy, because, if we, rewind to last year, I mean, we would have been, drooling at the fact that we'd be able to buy, that Bitcoin would be, $90,000 or $100,000. And so here we are, the market's bottomed out, and I'm excited for the holidays. And I hope you are too. So that's your crypto market update. And also, real quick, by the way, if you don't have a research service or a subscription where you could get actionable daily sort of insights into the crypto market with buy zones and sell zones and technical analysis and fundamental analysis on the best cryptocurrencies, and if you don't have something like that but you want it, well, guess what? I got a gift for you. Because for $1, I'm going to give you a 1-week trial to what I call CrypNation, which is an incredible group of over 10,000 crypto traders and investors who are crushing this market all together in our private community. So again, $1, 1-week trial. You can come check it out and get some great intel and some great alpha in the crypto markets. So I hope you join us. You won't regret it. Enjoy your holiday.